Hello everyone! Welcome back to Mr. English Talk, the place where you don't just learn English, you also learn how to transform your life. Today, we are going to talk about something extremely important. Focus on yourself, not others. This is a lesson that can change the way you live, the way you work, and the way you succeed in life. Listen carefully. Most people spend their entire lives looking at what others are doing. They compare themselves to friends, family, colleagues, and even strangers on social media. They think, why does he have that? Or why am I not there yet? But here's the truth. Comparing yourself to others steals your peace, your focus, and your progress. Every second you spend worrying about someone else's life is a second taken away from building your own. When you focus on yourself, you take control. You decide what you want, what you need, and how you will get there. You stop chasing validation from others and start chasing results for yourself. Your energy becomes yours again. Your time becomes yours again. And your growth becomes unstoppable. Focusing on yourself also means investing in your growth. Spend your time learning, improving, and mastering your skills. Read books, practice new skills, and push yourself beyond your comfort zone. The more you focus on your own growth, the faster you rise. And the less noise from others affects you. It also means stopping the habit of comparison. When you compare, you see only the highlight reel of someone else's life, not the hard work, the failures, or the struggles they faced to get there. You only see the surface, not the hours of effort underneath. Instead of comparing, focus on your own journey. Measure yourself only against who you were yesterday. Be better than you were yesterday, and the rest will follow. Focusing on yourself means ignoring distractions and negativity. People will talk. They will criticize. They will doubt your choices. But their words are irrelevant unless you allow them to control your mind. Your focus should be on your goals, your dreams, and your progress, not on pleasing others or meeting their expectations. It also means setting boundaries. Say no to anything or anyone that pulls you away from your path. Stop wasting your energy on gossip, unnecessary drama, or meaningless competition. Every no is a yes to yourself, to your future, and to the life you are building. When you focus on yourself, you stop seeking approval. You don't need people to validate your dreams or your decisions. Your confidence comes from your actions, your results, and your commitment to growth. Approval from others is temporary, but self-respect and self-focus last a lifetime. And here's the secret. The more you focus on yourself, the more successful you become, and the more naturally others begin to notice your growth. You don't need to compete with anyone, you simply rise above, and the world recognizes your strength. Focusing on yourself also means taking control of your time. Most people spend hours every day watching what others are doing, scrolling through social media, comparing lifestyles, worrying about others' opinions. But time is your most valuable resource. Every minute spent worrying about someone else is a minute stolen from your own growth. When you focus on yourself, you use your time wisely. You invest it in learning, in creating, in building the life you want. It also means investing in your mindset. Your thoughts shape your reality. If you constantly think about others, what they have, what they're doing, you train your mind to be distracted, envious, and insecure. But when you focus on yourself, you train your mind to be disciplined, confident, and unstoppable. You think about solutions, strategies, and opportunities. Instead of problems, comparisons, and distractions, focusing on yourself requires discipline and commitment. It is easy to be distracted by what everyone else is doing. It is easy to get pulled into gossip, drama, or jealousy. But winners don't allow external noise to control them. They stick to their routines, their goals, and their plans. Every day, every hour, every action is a step toward personal growth, not toward chasing or competing with others. It also means building self-confidence from within. Stop relying on compliments, approval, or recognition from others. True confidence comes from knowing your abilities, trusting your decisions, and taking action for your own future. The more you focus on yourself, the stronger your self-belief becomes, and the less others' opinions matter. When you focus on yourself, you also learn to handle criticism and negativity in a powerful way. People will always have something to say. They may doubt you, insult you, or try to discourage you. But when your focus is on yourself, their words don't control your actions. You listen if it's constructive, you ignore if it's destructive, and you keep moving forward. Focusing on yourself means setting and protecting your boundaries. Say no to things that do not serve you. Say no to people who drain your energy. Say no to situations that distract you from your goals. Every boundary you set is a statement that your growth and your future matter more than anyone else's opinion or expectation. It also means celebrating your own progress. Don't wait for others to notice or praise you. Track your improvements, your wins, and your achievements. Every step forward, no matter how small, is proof that you are growing, evolving, and becoming stronger. When you focus on yourself, you become your own source of motivation. And here is the ultimate truth. The more you focus on yourself, the more you attract the right people and opportunities. You don't have to compete with anyone. You don't have to prove yourself. When your energy is aligned, your goals are clear, and your focus is unbreakable, life begins to open doors for you. The right mentors, the right friends, and the right opportunities come naturally to those who dedicate their energy to themselves. Focusing on yourself also means ignoring unnecessary competition. Most people waste their energy trying to outdo someone else, trying to have a bigger house, a faster car, more followers, or more recognition. But true success is never about competing with others. It is about becoming the best version of yourself. The only person you need to surpass is the person you were yesterday. Every hour spent comparing yourself to others is an hour stolen from improving your own life. It also means taking full responsibility for your results. Stop blaming your circumstances, your family, or your environment. Stop thinking that someone else should create your opportunities. When you focus on yourself, you realize that your success depends entirely on your choices, your actions, and your consistency. Winners don't wait, they act. They don't complain, they improve. Focusing on yourself requires discipline in daily habits. It's not enough to have big dreams. You must take action every single day to build the life you want. Wake up early, plan your day, work on your skills, and dedicate time to your growth. Every small habit compounds over time, and the results come not from luck, but from relentless, focused effort. It also means protecting your mental and emotional energy. People will always try to pull you into negativity, arguments, jealousy, drama, or distractions. When you focus on yourself, you develop the ability to stay calm, composed, and focused, regardless of the chaos around you. Your mind becomes your strongest asset, and nothing can shake your determination. When you focus on yourself, you stop seeking validation from others. Your confidence comes from your own achievements, your discipline, and your progress. You no longer need likes, comments, or praise to feel worthy. You validate yourself by taking action, improving daily, and building the life you want. It also means investing in your skills and knowledge. Read, learn, practice, and grow every single day. The more valuable you become, the more opportunities life gives you. Skills and knowledge are assets that no one can take away. When you focus on yourself, you become unstoppable because your growth is in your own hands. Focusing on yourself requires to say no. Say no to distractions, to unnecessary commitments, to toxic relationships. Every no is a yes to your goals, your dreams, and your future. The moment you learn to prioritize your life over pleasing others, you start building unstoppable momentum. It also means embracing patience and persistence. While others are distracted by what everyone else is doing, you are quietly working, improving, and growing. Success rarely happens overnight, but those who focus on themselves understand that every effort, every day, every small improvement adds up. They don't give up when things get hard. They persist until their results speak for themselves. And here's the truth. The more you focus on yourself, the more respect you earn from others. Not by competing, not by boasting, but by silently building a life that others admire. People notice progress, confidence, and discipline. When your energy is directed toward yourself and your goals, the world cannot ignore you. So remember, focusing on yourself is not selfish, it is essential. It is about valuing your time, your energy, and your dreams above every distraction. It is about protecting your focus, investing in your growth, and building the life you truly deserve. When you stop worrying about what others are doing, you reclaim control over your own journey. Life will always have noise, criticism, jealousy, doubts, and distractions. But when your focus is on yourself, none of it can hold you back. Your energy becomes yours again. Your progress becomes unstoppable. Your confidence grows from within, not from the approval of others. Your goals, your dreams, your future, these are what matter. And when you dedicate yourself fully to your own growth, the right opportunities, the right people, and the right experiences naturally come into your life. You stop chasing and you start attracting. You stop comparing and you start dominating your own path. The world will always try to distract you, pull you into competition, or make you feel small. But the moment you focus on yourself, you rise above. You become stronger. You become disciplined. You become unstoppable. So start today. Protect your energy. Invest in your growth. Ignore the noise. Build the life you want. Focus on yourself, not others, and watch how your life transforms in ways you never imagined. Every choice, every action, every moment counts. Make them yours. This is your life, your journey, your success. Focus on yourself and nothing and no one can stop you.